our principal, our Mazu, Mr. Yusladi SPD, honorable to all the teachers, Ustad or Ustazah, and respectable my fellow friend. Firstly, all praise to Allah who give us. Firstly, all praise to Allah for us giving to us was living today. Salawat and salam be delivered to our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam as his very family and about us. Okay. Today, I represent all of the dear speech of year 2022 of class. It's sad to be apart after 3 years together, studying together, being in the same place. There we are have now. It's so easy. Yet now, it was not easy for us. It is past 3 years together. And I'm sure the memories we will exhibit in our hearts. Baiklah teman-teman, perjuangan kita baru saja dimulai. Kita di sini akan memetik hasil perjuangan kita selama di SMP dan kita akan lanjut tantangan kedepannya ibu di SMA. Mungkin di SMA tak begitu mudah, tantangannya bisa menjadi lebih sulit. Dan selamat bagi seluruh santriwan dan santriwati yang sudah pada hari ini. Sekian, terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.